Yesterday he tell me he got dinner with boss. Wow, now he bluff. You cheating piece of... 你都咁樣 confirm 掉 him 啊 Hello, you have a little fake fat dirty 𝗲𝗵𝗵 and outside is it?
Huh? No.
No, don't explain. I don't want to listen anymore.
Baby, you listen to me first.
Hi, you don't love me 了啊 Catch 到 you. I want to see who is this green tea bitch. Ah! Sorry and thank you 啊。
係啊，傻豬豬嚟嘅。It's okay, it's okay. Don't worry, I will 搞掂咗阿媽。
你懂𝗫是谁吗？
1、2、
上面没有哦。
1。
sorry. Why now? sorry. 忘记。Later I confirm 掉 him. 快点拍我炫富，快点拍我炫富。You have a little fat You don't love me 了啊 ！Baby。
唉，it's okay, it's okay.